How to hide the Wi-Fi icon in all Android phone. So if you want to hide the Wi-Fi icon on your Android phone, then you need to simply go for your settings. Under your settings, you can go for search, which is on the upper side, and you need to search for status bar. Once you search for status bar, simply tap on the status bar and now scroll down and again tap on it. And under your status bar here, you will have an option of hide Wi-Fi icon. But if you don't have that option, then it means that the option is not available in your device or in your region. So if you have that option, you can simply go and hide your Wi-Fi icon. Or you can also hide your real-time network speed and your battery style and percentage. So if you go for real-time network speed and if you toggle that off, then the network speed will be turned off from the status bar. If you go for the battery style and percentage, here you will have the vertical, landscape and circle. And under that battery percentage, if you go for do not display, then it will not display the battery percentage. So if you have a hide Wi-Fi icon right here, then you can simply go and hide your Wi-Fi icon. But if you don't have that icon or if you don't have that option, then you just need to go for your Play Store and you need to download any applications that will allow you to do so. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.